Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. This is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate, and this video is for letting you know a few important questions for your September exam. Now, as you all know, the September exams are barely 10 days away now, so you should be gearing up for your final revisions, final practice, and mock exams, very importantly, for your September 24 attempt. So towards as the video furthers, you're going to get a list of questions which are important for your exam. Now, also do not be misconceived by the fact that do not be misinformed that these are the questions that only if you do these questions, just these questions, you will be able to pass the exam. You've not done anything prior, but you're just going to practice these questions and it's going to be enough for you to pass the exam. No, that's not going to happen. These questions are for your revision purposes. These questions are for those students who have done the syllabus once, those who have completed at least one kit once, and then they are in the process of their final revision. So these questions have been handpicked by us, which will help you to revise the core concepts. These are the latest past paper questions, so these will help you to see what kind of a pattern is being followed in the recent attempts. So these questions are there for your final revision and practice. Now also make sure that you are attempting at least 2 full-fledged mock exams before you sit for your final exam. We at Being ACCA are also offering mock evaluation services for PM, FM, AA, AAA, SBL and AFM. So these are the exams which we are also offering the marking facility. So just in case you're a self-study student, you do not know who should I approach to mark my exams, so we are here for that. You can DM us and we'll let you know the details. Now is the time for the questions that are there which you should be practicing at the last moment.